Hi guys, this is Hector. Today is the 13th of June 2007. It's 5 p.m. Euro time. I want to show you my trading shift is about to finish. So I'm about to leave my trading desk for the day. So as usual, I run one last time before closing the shop. I run through the charts, and well, I like to play some sound alarms in case we have some action throughout the New York session. So I wanted to show you, well, just for the sake of it, I have a little bit of time, so why not? These setups that they seem promising. Okay, today, firstly, we have the Euro Canadian dollar in the 4 hours time frame. Nice downtrend as per my moving averages. Okay, we saw last week a new swing down, and yesterday and today we've seen a nice retrace back to the dynamic area of support, resistance. We are seeing bands down from this area, which is also the 50% Fibonacci of the whole swing down, and the 142.50 round number. Let me zoom in into the 1 hour time frame for a clear view. This is a trigger chart, and well, we're seeing the retracement trend line right there. It's being broken right now. Basically, I'll be waiting for a pullback and a continuation in order to, well, search for a new ride to the downside, perhaps riding a whole new swing down. Okay, just as we had this swing down, retracement back to the dynamic area of resistance, and all the swing down, and all the retracement. Well, why not another swing down? Okay, that's what I'm aiming for. Okay, I'm gonna be following the hourly charts as my trigger chart in order to see reversal formations in there. Alright, next up, Canadian dollar against the Swissy. Beautiful uptrend, okay, in the 4 hours time frame. Have a look at those moving averages, also pointing up. Price nowhere near the 100, price spending most of the time above the 50. If you've seen the course, have a look at the first chapter. You have everything explained there as of what I understand as a healthy trend. Alright, so what I'm seeing is basically, swing. It's the same case as the previous chart, just the other way around, since this is an uptrend. Push up, retracement down to the dynamic area of resistance, holding the retracement, gives way to another push up, another retracement back down to the dynamic area of resistance. We have a further support from a trend line, which is this black line I'm showing right now. Previous swing top, former resistance, working now as support right there, and also the 38% Fibonacci and the 116.00 round number. Also zooming into the 1 hour time frame, we are seeing basically the same thing. Retracement trend line being broken to the upside in momentum. Have a look at this large green bar there. Basically what I'm looking for, when I'm, my trigger will be a pullback and a continuation, making new lows for the day. This is basically the same scenario, just the other way around. It's the previous chart was a downtrend, and this is an uptrend. Next up, okay, I fucked that up. Oops, sorry, I meant I messed that up. Alright. Where was I? Yeah. Third chart, GBP Australian dollar. A nice downtrend as usual, moving averages pointing down parallel to each other. The 100 is already catching up with the other two. This trend is fairly new. It's had only 2 swings down. Okay, retracement back to the dynamic area of resistance and to the 38 Fibonacci level, and the 235.50 round number right there. Zooming into the 1 hour time frame. My trigger chart, in this case, we've seen a retracement trend line being broken, a double bottom right here. You see this double bottom right there? It's been tested twice today, this level, the 134 30 yeah, 234 30 35. It's been tested twice there, and there is a double bottom. We've already broken the retracement trend line. Seems like we are having a 1 bar pullback right there. You see that green bar? So basically what I'm looking into is a breakout to the downside, pullback continuation. Okay, it's just as usual, another just a swing trade. I take so many of them. If you've been following my videos throughout you know, the last couple of months in my blog, you've seen me trading this setup so many times. And finally, I have another one down there. I have 4. There it is. Euro against the Kiwi. This setup is a little bit scrappy, to be honest. If I do enter this setup, I'm gonna be reducing my lot size, just because of this crazy spike we had a few days ago, 2 days ago, right? A massive spike down, followed by a massive spike to the upside. Okay. I quite dislike this extremely aggressive, wild, out of control, out of whack, however you want to call it, spikes. Right? I kind of like smooth swings. Okay, this kind of swing formation. This instead, what we had in this case was a fairly one-directional market sentiment throughout the week. Then, well, market basically crashed for 300 pips, and it touched the psychological number level 175.00. It bounced back up like I don't know, if Arnold Schwarzenegger had punched it in the face or something, and it seems like it's beginning to perhaps move sideways back, having retraced back into the dynamic area of resistance. Zooming into the 1 hour time frame, I'm seeing some consolidation throughout the last 2 days. Okay, you see these last 2 days. Okay, these 2 purple squares right here. It's definitely a consolidation area. Alright, we are seeing multiple touches at the range top and also multiple touches at the range bottom. Okay, at the 177 round number. Basically, once again, looking for a breakout to the downside, retesting the breakout level, this level, the 177 round number, and a continuation thrust to the downside. If the breakout takes place to the upside, I'll cancel the whole thing. But nonetheless, like I say, I'm gonna be cautious when it comes to trading this setup. I'm gonna be reducing my lot size, and the breakout's gotta be extremely clear, squeaky clean. Okay, I don't want to mess up too much with this setup. Okay, like I say, it's not a textbook setup as far as my system goes, as far as the 3 simple moving average system goes. Okay, so I'm gonna be very cautious and reduce my lot size considerably. All right. Well, guys, those are the 4 setups I'm gonna be following today, well, I'm not gonna be following them myself. Like I say, my trading shift is over, so I'm placing my sound alarms. If anything goes off, I'll be alerted. Okay, I'll be warned by the system, and well, I'll reassess the situation. Okay. Nonetheless, be assured that I'll keep you updated if anything, if I do trigger any of these entries. Okay. Alright, guys, have a nice afternoon or evening, depending on where in the world you live. Bye bye.